Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how can you download Anaconda on your computer. So for downloading Anaconda you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Google Chrome. Now here on the browser search here for the Anaconda download or Anaconda. Now go to this first link. So now from here you have to go to this download section. Now here you have to click on this skip registration. So here you can see here are the versions for the Windows, Mac and Linux are showing. So as I'm on the Windows, so I will click on this Windows 64-bit graphical installer. So you can see here the installer is downloading. So let's wait till the installer downloads and then I will show you how can you install it. Now as you can see here the downloading has been completed. Now double click on it and just wait till the installer launches. So as you can see here the installer is launched. Now click on next. Now click on I agree. Next. So here you have to select the location where you want to install Anaconda. So here you can see as I have already installed it on my computer, this is showing as a warning. So we click on OK, and this is how you can install Anaconda. Now let me show you how can you open Anaconda after the installation. So now for opening it, press on Window key and then search for the Anaconda. So here you can see here are Anaconda prompt, Anaconda Navigator. So the Anaconda prompt is command line client interface and the Anaconda Navigator is graphical user interface. So let me open here Anaconda prompt. So here you can see the Anaconda prompt is launched. So this is how you can download Anaconda on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.